Hola, señora Vaz, with your instructions for today. Today we are going to learn about numbers. For your actividad inicial, you're going to tell me something about your project 2. That was what we did last class. So you go to this photo and it's asking you in the comments below, that means here where it says reply, please tell me what dance you selected for the project 2 and why you chose that dance particularly. Remember that this is at the beginning of the class in the first 5 minutes, so I hope that you did that at the beginning of the class so you can get your 10 points. Next, we're going to learn the numbers from 1 to 100. You're going to copy the notes for numbers. This is the notes for numbers. It's not much. It's just a little bit. Then you're going to copy the following color-coded chart. I have it right here. Follow the model with the columns. That means you're going to make the same columns that I'm doing. You can use different colors, no problem. But I want you to make the columns and then color each one of your columns different colors. So you know which one is which. Probably the best way is to do it with the paper sideways. And by sideways, I mean this way instead of this one, because in this way you can put your columns right there, and it's let me just show you closer. Yeah, so this way is probably better because you can put your columns here instead of trying to do it this way. I'm put just very crowded here. So let's do that like this, and then you color whatever color you prefer, no problem. Here's the color coded. It's coming. There it is. So I put it right there. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 columns. The last one is shorter because it has the tens. This one has 10 numbers each. Okay. Then you have this activity. It says numbers list. You're going to click here to complete this assignment. So you click there. And how do you write the following numbers in Spanish? Use the color-coded chart that you have right here and then you put in your notebook to help you figure out. Type the numbers in Spanish in the space provided below. Another thing that you can use to help you with this activity is a video I put here. I put this video with the pronunciation of the numbers and the color-coded. So that's like your explanation of how you can make the numbers, like make the sounds or the words for the numbers. So I put this video here that will help you. Let me show you. Hola, la señora Vaz with the pronunciation of the numbers. Okay, so there is a pronunciation of the numbers so you can listen to them, and then with that information you can figure out how to say these numbers. Some of them are already there pronounced, but some of them are some that you need to come up with. So what you do is you copy your numbers right here. You're going to copy, and then you're going to paste it on the text entry box. Once you paste them in the text entry box, let me just explain you here. If you paste it in the text entry box, you can just put right there in front. For example, this one. How do you say that one? Yeah, I gave you that one. I'm going to take it back. So you're just going to put right there in front how you say that number. So you're going to figure out. If you have questions, of course, you can ask me questions because this is an activity just to practice the numbers. Let's go back to the plan. There is a homework, and the homework is very similar to the practice. I'm giving you some numbers. You're going to copy these numbers. These numbers are going to go right here when it's published. It's not published yet. When you had your start assignment, a button, green button here, you click on there, you paste these numbers, and you do the same that I was explaining. Just put it in front. What is, how you say this one, how you say that one, and so on. So you're going to figure out those numbers. Okay. Once you finish your classwork, and you probably will have the time to finish your homework too in the class. I suspect that you have time for that. But once you finish your classwork and your homework, you are going to the Quizlet for numbers. What is the Quizlet for numbers? I put the link right here. And let me restore this because it's too small. Reset it. And then you have the numbers, and you can also flip them, and you can hear how to pronounce them, and some of them. So you can learn how to say them.
5,
So you have pictures, and you have ways to practice, and somebody else is gonna be pronouncing them.
6,
So it's not always your teacher.
6,
You can listen, repeat, practice, and so on. Okay, why are you practicing your numbers? Because attention, study your numbers. You will have a quiz next class. So that's it. We'll be ready for our next class quiz. I'll see you in class. Hasta pronto.